Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a story about the one time I tried to impress my outdoorsy neighbor Gary with my camping setup. I pulled up in my rusty old camper, proud as a peacock, only for him to stroll out of his brand new Lowrider tiny house like he was starring in an Airbnb commercial. I swear, even his tea kettle had Bluetooth. Before we dive into the specs of this jaw-dropper, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more RV reviews, camping laughs, and vehicles that make your neighbor jealous in zero point 0.2 seconds. Now, let's talk about the Lowrider from Elite Tiny Homes. This bad boy is a single-level dream home on wheels. No ladders, no lofts. We're talking 30 square meters, 323 square feet of floor space with sliding glass doors that blur the line between indoors and outdoors, like your house is trying to flirt with nature. What struck me most is the L-shaped kitchen. As someone who once cooked ramen on a portable stove in a parking lot, walking into this kitchen felt like entering a fancy brunch spot. There's a cathedral white stone countertop, deep blue cabinetry, custom of course, and a full-height pantry with rotating baskets. Appliances? Oh, it's loaded. 4-burner stove, integrated oven, fridge/freezer, range hood, dishwasher, and more floating timber shelves than a hipster coffee shop. Then there's the bathroom. I'm talking emerald green tiled, diamond-shaped shower cabin with a rain shower head, a floating vanity, ceramic sink, timber countertop. It's the kind of place you accidentally take hour-long showers just to admire your life choices. Plus, it fits, a washer, has 2 windows for ventilation, and still feels roomier than my buddy Carl's apartment. Outside, you've got a hot water outdoor shower surrounded by twice-oiled Fijian mahogany. The exterior cladding in modern gray is sleek, and the outdoor shower makes you feel like you're in a 5-star island resort, not parked behind a gas station. Price? Starts at NZD 125,000, about 72,000 US dollars or 67,000 euros. And if you don't need the fancy stuff like fireplaces or mahogany showers, you can scale it back to fit your budget. I believe this is one of the smartest layouts I've seen in a single-level home on wheels. I think what I like the most is how it makes small living feel expansive, and not just because Gary made me sleep in my camper that night. And hey, if you laughed, learned, or just want to help me finally buy something with a dishwasher, consider becoming a channel sponsor for just $1. The link's in the description, and I promise I won't use it to buy rotating baskets, okay? Maybe just one.